Yes, I got a misprint. Phantasmal Flames. Ultra Premium Collection Box. And it's going to be very big to open. One of the code cards. We get rid of that. I believe with Phantasmal, they put both of the promos in one, which is insane to me. But of course, we're not keeping this sealed. It looks like there's 2 cards in there, so we should be in luck, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I got a crimp. Oh, yes, I got a misprint. Ooh! You guys see the crimp at the top? Get a good look at Oricorio. All right. Back into the UPC. Oh, this is a metal coin. This is a metal coin. You heard that thing? Ting, ting. 1/2 of packs. Another 1/2 of packs. The dice in the deck looks cool. I'm not going to open up the mat. Most of this stuff is just going to stay as is. Let's see what we got here. Mega Evolution times 4. Journey Together times 4. Phantasmal Flames times 4. Destined Rivals times 4. Surging Sparks times 2. We're starting with Surging. Thank Arceus for the Crimped Zard. Are you serious? Let's go. Oh, this song is getting turned immediately after this pack. Tandem Mouse. What set are we even in? Surging Sparks. Ay, ay, ay. So many sets in this. Energy. What's going on here? Oh, that was the first slot. Wow. That's why I got me all messed up. Pink for the kids. Let me change this song. I'm sick of listening to Mickey Mouse. This song is called Let's Go, so let's go. Last pack of Surging Sparks for the night, ladies and gentlemen. Surging Sparks has been disrespectful tonight. Absolutely disrespectful tonight. Like, to the point where I may never open this stuff again. Actually, I lied. I have 2 booster bundles behind me. Those will get opened at some point. Yeah. Surging Sparks just wasn't it tonight, guys. We won't do Mega. Here we go. Those were sold listings on eBay. I don't know if I read that already, but I'm fired up. Like, hitting a misprint, I don't know. I think that's sicker than hitting the actual card. Because I knew the card was in there. You know what I mean? So I knew at least I had a Zard. I didn't know if it was going to be Mega Absol Full Art. Mega Absol Full Art. I didn't know if it was going to be whatchamacallit. Aired? Like, that's insane. Mega Evolutions. We got 3 packs of Megas left. We are ripping fools tonight, guys. Oops. $6.50? $6.50? I'm sorry for disrespecting you, Absol. Here's a top loader. My apologies. Back into Mega. Here we go. Whoa. Fat fingered that one. I do got some fat chonkers. Let's go. Crawdon. Hariyama. Chikorita. Alakazam. Here we go. Mega hasn't been very nice to us tonight either. Well, actually, I got the Mega Lucario, so I guess it was better than Surging, which isn't a high bar though. So Snom, Magnemite, Z-Man, Stonejourner, Lily, Young Goose, Meganium. You're lucky you're cool, Meganium. Last pack of Mega Evolutions for the night. Let's go. Haha owned? Tasty Pulls? Who's Tasty Pulls? Or who's Haha owned? Hey, we could go like that, yeah. Promo though. Who? Haha owned. Shout out Haha owned, baby. I wish I could give you proper greetings. I don't recognize that offhand. Let's go. Sand Slash. We'll go through the pulls in a second here. Haha. I got you. Shuckle. Mantine. Dialga. Mega Lucario. Half art. Of... I'm going to say it's closer to 210 packs total. With the surprise at the end, which I have not included or even mentioned yet. So if you're here for that, you might like it or you might hate it. Here we go. We're going through Journey Together. Man, I really want to know who that is. We got Graveler in the house. Maractus. Beldum. Geodude. Metagross. Let's go. 3 more packs of Journey Together. Haha. Oh, man, I can't see the picture either. I bet you if I knew the picture, I'd know who it was. Picture looks like a Time Wizard, but it's so small. I can't even tell. It's got the same colors as a Time Wizard, though. It's hard to tell. I can't see. Milcery. Paldean Wooper. Reveal yourself! Articuno. Cloth. Black Belt's training. Mamoswine full art. We'll take a full art out of Journey Together. First time in here. Ooh, that's why I don't recognize the name. That's why I don't recognize the name. At least give me this. Did you come from the Instagram page? If you came from Instagram, I have no freaking clue. Because there's almost 900 people on the Instagram page already. 900 already. Charged up about that, by the way. So if you're here from Instagram, from YouTube, for real? Haha, own, gang. What's up, baby? Came from the YouTube channel. What? That's a first. Let's go, dude. I'm happy you came. Last pack of Journey Together, ladies and gentlemen, of the night. Let's go. Here we go. Clefairy, can you show your face? Bagon. Postwick. Shuppet. Hop's Choice Band. And the Metagross to call it a night on Journey Together. We're going to go Destin first, and we're going to save Phantasmal for last and hope for the best. Haha owned. Hell yeah, dude. Again, thanks for stopping by. Love it. Love to see it. The question is, did you bring some good luck to the party? Let's find out. Misty Starmie. Ogerpon. Destin Rivals. Here we go. Ethan's Typhlosion Hollow. We got 3 left of Destin Rivals for the night, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Here we go. From Mantis. Hopefully. Here we go. Where's Nidoking? Come on, Nidoking. Nidoking. Ah, Annihilate. Ah. Here we go. Here we go. We're in there. Second to last pack of Destin Rivals for the night, ladies and gentlemen. Second to last. Regirock EX. Not going out without a fight. He said Regicharge. Kid card. For the kids! Guess what we got now? Pikachu's Blessings. Thank you. Last pack of DR for the night. She said, screw you guys, I'm out of here. Yeah. Told you. Guarantee you go out there, she's either on the couch or on the bed. Or in her bed. Knucklehead has left the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Pupper Dog said, that's enough cards for tonight. You hit everything that I needed to see. Here we go. Cynthia Spiritomb. We're going to slow roll these last ones. Last pack of Destined Rivals for the night. And there it is. Stevens Metagross EX. The surprise gets revealed. 4 packs away from the surprise. Let's go. Here we go. Phantasmal Flames, baby. Take us home. We are officially starting our slide into home plate for my biggest box opening of my life. We got Rotom's EX. 200 packs. We are officially well over 200 already tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Plus a bonus. Come on, Phantasmal. Take us home, baby. Zard needs a friend. Zard needs a friend. Doesn't need to be a twin. Just a friend. A phantasmal friend. Nothing. Is that only one? Okay. Viper threw me off. Dark. Dark reverse. Dos más. Here we go. Scardo, what's this you speak? I'm not sure what that means. Apalm. We got Ghastly. Granbull. Bronzong. Grimsley's move. Alright. One of our last Phantasmals is a switch. Switch! Boom, boom, boom. Alright, guys. Last Phantasmal tonight. Here it is. Mega Gengar on the cover. We're jumping in. Face first. Get that out of there. Here we go. Phantasmal Flames to take us home. Last pack of Phantasmal tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Is that the reverse? Not yet. One reverse. Togedemaru IR. And the last card of Phantasmal Flames. Zacian Hollow.